Return multiple columns from pandas apply. I have a pandas data frame, df_test. It contains a column size which represents size in bytes. I've calculated KB, MB, and GB using the following code. I've run this over 120,000 rows and time it takes about 2.97 seconds per column. 3 equals tilde 9 seconds according to %timei. Is there any way I can make this faster? For example, can I, instead of returning one column at a time from apply and running it 3 times, can I return all 3 columns in one pass to insert back into the original data frame? The other questions I've found all want to take multiple values and return a single value. I want to take a single value and return multiple columns.
You can return a series from the applied function that contains the new data, preventing the need to iterate 3 times. Passing access equals 1 to the apply function applies the function sizes to each row of the data frame, returning a series to add to a new data frame. This series, S, contains the new values, as well as the original data.
Use apply and SQL 3 times faster than series way. Test result are
Some of the current replies work fine, but I want to offer another, maybe more pandified option. This works for me with the current pandas 0.23, not sure if it will work in previous versions. Notice that the trick is on the result_type parameter of apply, that will expand its result into a data frame that can be directly assigned to new/old columns.
Just another readable way. This code will add 3 new columns and its values, returning series without use parameters in the apply function. A general example from this URL.